Guys, this is a mean and range mixed questions. It's just refreshing really what mean and range is combined with worded questions. Because I know you guys, you can get confused. As soon as I whack numbers in with written English, it can be a struggle. So these are some that I think you should be able to pick up and at least grasp. So the temperatures recorded in a week were 18, 21, 19, 23, 20, 22, and 17 Celsius. This one is just asking us for the range. We know the range is the biggest, subtract the smallest. So this one is, our biggest number here is 23, and our smallest is 17. So it literally is simply 23 subtract 17 equals 6. So the range equals 6 degrees Celsius. The highest is centimetres of 5 plants, so 25, 30, 23, 27, 20, 32. What is the range? Same again, 32 as our biggest. Subtract our smallest, which 25 gives us 7. So our range of 5 plants equals 7 centimetres, because it does state to put your answer in centimetres. This one, you're asking the mean. So we have a bunch of numbers and you divide it by how many is in that set, that bunch of numbers. So you would do 56 plus 64 plus 72 plus 68 plus 60. And then you're going to divide it all by how many is in there, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can divide it by 5, which equals, if you pop it in your calculator, it's going to spit out 320 divided by 5. So your mean equals 64. So the answer is 64. A student recorded these times in minutes to complete a puzzle. What is the range and the mean? So now let's look at our data. What is the range? So the range is going to be the biggest number, which is 15. So we've got 15. Subtract our smallest, which is 10. Nice and easy. So our range equals 5. And then we go into our mean, which is all of them added up. 12 plus 15 plus 10 plus 14 plus 13. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 numbers in there. So the range, add them all up, either by long adding, if you haven't got a calculator, or put it in the calculator and then divide by 5. So you could use long adding and then the bus stop method to divide by 5. And your answer is going to be 64 divided by 5, which gives us 12.8, which makes me think that could be a calculator option. And once again, it's in minutes, as it's asking us in minutes. The following numbers represent the number of books read by students in a month: 4, 7, 5, 9, and 6. Find the range and the mean of the books that read. So let's start with the range again. So we've got the biggest number, which is 9, subtract the 4 equals 5. So our range equals 5 again. And our mean is 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6. And that's going to be divided by how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you add all those up and it becomes 31 over 5, which equals 6.2. So the mean and the range is 5 and 6.2. A football team scored the following points in 6 games. What is the mean score? So there's no range. So what is the mean in this? So we're simply just going to do what we've done all the time. We've done 40. We're going to add them up. 14 plus 21 plus 17 plus 28 plus 24 plus 29. No, 19 to apologise. And that's going to be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to draw a line because it will be all over the place. So we're going to add all those up and put it in the calculator, and your answer will be 20.5. So the mean score, 6 games, is 20.5. So as you can see, they are really straightforward if you know the right formulas to pop them in. So use this as a refresher, but if you're stuck and you really can't understand it in words, just go to my separate videos on each topic, and hopefully you'll then be able to smash this one. So yeah, bye-bye.